Namaste, I'm Ushoshi. Thank you for your immense love and support. So as you all know that festivals are knocking on doors, khat, and I thought that I will make something related to that. So if you are a Bengali, you know that we have a concept of Chandmala that we use in goddess hands. So basically the concept of Chandmala is that the same, that is of wind chime kind of a thing, the thing that attracts good vibes. A Chandmala consists of some signs that depicts to goddess Durga, that is her foot, her hands, her shostik sign, that is a very good sign for us, for Bengalis, and some other different signs that consist that the Chandmala has. So I thought that I will recreate a Chandmala on a wooden plate. So let me show you what I did. I made a Chandmala on a wooden plate. As you can see, this one has a lotus in the background. That is also a very good sign for goddess Durga, and her feet, and she herself, if you can see or not, and the musical instrument that depicts goddess Durga's welcome kind of thing. Sorry, I couldn't find the exact word. And some bale leaves. These are the bale leaves that we use in our pujas, and this is the shuli flower, and I hope that you will also love it. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. So these are the wooden plates that we use. We offer fruits, vegetables and sweets on this to our goddess. In Bengali it is known as parkosh, and as you can see by its condition, we don't use it anymore. So I just took it from my mom and I will be using this, and I will color it white with a white acrylic color. And as you can see, I needed 5 to 6 coats to coat it nicely. This will act as a primer or a base coat. So these are the designs that I made. If you want, you can take a screenshot of these and recreate yours if you are having this kind of wooden plates, or if you are having any kind of plates in your home. So for tracing the design, I am having this kind of white carbon, or you can tell it as a yellow carbon too. Many of them call it yellow carbon because it has a yellowish tone. So I don't use blue carbons because it leaves out the stains of a bluish one. So while I am doing this kind of home decor thing, I use this kind of white carbon or yellow carbon. Now I will trace the design nicely on the plate. So I will give you a closer look because you can't see, because this is a white carbon and it doesn't leave that kind of a stain, and I hope you can see the design. Now I will start coloring it. I will color the lotus with pink color. I have made this pink color because I was not having one, so I made the pink color mixing it with red and white. So as you can see, I have colored the lotus. Now I will color the leaves of the lotus. So I have colored the background blue with an ultramarine blue color, as you can see. So now I will be using a flesh tint color, and I will show you a different technique. I hope you will like it. Now I will make a punch, and I will color this portion of my palm, and I will trace the design like this. It will end up making goddess feet. With my fingers, I have done my goddess fingers, as you can see. And I have colored the feet, giving an alta effect that we Bengalis wear in our festivals. Now I will color this portion of the plate with a red color to give a vibrant vibe. So like this, I have did goddess Durga and her children. And I have made a lotus on which they are sitting. And I made a backdrop blue just to resemble the effect of a sky. And I made some dotting effects, as you can see, with the help of mandala tools. And in the same way, I have made the other one. I have made some bay leaves and a shoe leaf flower and the musical instrument that we use, that is a dhak, in the middle. So now I have got this kind of very small washers. As you can see, these are very small. And I will be using this to hang my piece. And I have got a crochet thread. This is of a 60 centimeter. And I will fold it into half. So now I will fold the half folded thread into half again, like this. That is, we will get 4 threads. And now I have got this kind of pearl, and I will put the washer inside like this, and then I will tuck it in this manner. Let me just give you a closer look. So first I will just divide the thread into, so I will just first divide the thread like this, and then I will put the end inside like this, and I will pull the thread, and you will end up making a knot. And now I will put the beads. These are the pearls that I have told you. I will put 6 beads inside. Now in the same way, I will tie the washer on the other end. So first I will make a tie, because this is an open end. So first I will tie a knot. So now I have fixed these, as you can see. With the help of a screw, I have just made 2 holes with a drill and then screwed it like this. So this are something that these are basically goddess garland. These are smaller ones, you can easily find in any local shops. And I will fix these on the end part of my plate in the same process. So I have fixed everything, and with the help of an aluminium wire, I made a hook kind of a thing just to hang the piece. So let's see the final look.
Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you liked the video, then don't forget to hit that big fat thumbs up and share with your friends. If you didn't like the video, you can easily dislike it too, but do share your beautiful comments. And if you are a Bengali, then in the comment box below, I will definitely love to see that. And yes, if you are new here, I upload DIYs and recycling videos every Friday. If you like my work, then do appreciate me by subscribing to my channel, and hitting the bell icon will notify you whenever I post a new video. I will meet you next Friday. Till then, bye bye and stay safe, stay home and enjoy your festivals. Bye.